The learning offered here is specifically designed for individuals looking to build and monetize a personal brand through speaking directly to the camera. Building a personal brand is a long journey that starts with mastering how to speak to the camera. That's why the first skill you'll learn here is exactly that, and you'll start generating income from this skill right away. You have a niche, you have prospects, and as part of your daily checklist, you are required to send 3 to 10 performance outreaches. Your service revolves around creating reviews and testimonials for businesses and brands to use, also known as user-generated content. You will participate in a 10-day workshop focused on honing your skills in speaking to the camera by learning how to sell digital and physical products. Once you've learned how to do this, this is the free value you will provide your prospects and the service you will offer. Now, you might be wondering how providing reviews to businesses selling their products relates to building an influential personal brand through talk to camera skills. My response to this question is money in. You will reach a stage where you learn how personal brands are monetized. However, the initial step is mastering how to speak to the camera and start earning money from it right away.